Yes, I decoded my Talaria Komodo and I'm able to read the data. And also I create the iOS app that I can send the data to my app and use it as a live dashboard. So I can track speed, I can track battery life, many things I'm going to show you later in this video. So I'm not stopped with the Komodo. So I have a triple X. I'll map the triple X after I finish this. I have some friends that have the MX4, MX5, and I will map them all and share with you guys so then you can build things around it and help me finish decoding what I'm struggling to decode today. Well, this is the bike. You're gonna see there's a couple wires there. I'm gonna explain. So this is the app. So the bike is off. And so when you access the app, it will tell you that the bike is off and you can turn it on. So now it's tracking only the battery. So when I turn this on, so it will automatically start the app, right? And then there's a red message in here that says the bike is not ready, so it doesn't go. Why? Because it has the this kickstand. So I have to do this. And it's still not ready because it needs this. It's still not ready because we need to press the red, but the green. But once I press it, you're gonna see the bike immediately gets ready, right? So then if you do this, so you have the speed here, but also before I show you the bike, I'm gonna show you the dashboard. I create the dashboard. Look, once you start the bike and then you can track speed, you can track many things. I hope you guys can see this. Maybe I will show the dashboard later. So let's go to the connections. So I'm using the CAN port. So you can see here, you have to decode this and see. I had to decode and see the wires. So now it's connected to my laptop and I managed to decode everything except the light. So I'm not able to decode when we turn the lights on and off. So I'm not sure if the bike sends a message. And the horn, I didn't want to decode the horn because there is so many neighborhoods here. So I start beeping, they will come here. So let's start with I decoded. So I decode the mode. So once you press the mode, it will change. You can see this view has a map. So this is for the echo. So the bike is ready. So it has a view. So the first view is the map. So you can set up a place you want to go, and then it will work like this. But it also have race mode for echo that I'm going to explain it a little bit. So if you change the mode, it changes the mode in the bike. So now we are in sport. We have three tabs. We have the main one, which is the map. So it become yellow. So you have the tilt. So the tilt is interesting if you do enduro or jumps. I am connecting this thing, three of these. So I'm connecting one in the front wheel, like in the front shock, in the here one, and another one in the top. So it will allow me to track the compression when you jump and land. So I also have the race for any mode. So you have the race for any mode. And if you go to hyper, so when you go to hyper has a few more modes. So it has the map one, right? It have the tilt. So it has the race, the hyper mode. This is the hyper mode. I'm working on this. So I'm building this screen yet, so it's pretty simple so far. And you have also the lap. So the AI in this app will identify the laps, and then you can track jumps and speed. It will also coach you what speed you need in order to get to clear the jumps. One thing that I had to do that I consider I recommend you to do is tie the bike, because when I go and track the speed, so this bike try to take off the planet. So I recommend you to do that. And yes, so that's the video for today. I hope you enjoyed that, and consider subscribe to my channel, because in the next videos I'm gonna show you how I did that, how I wire it, and then you can do it by yourself. See you next time.